Are you ready? You think you can tell us what to do? You think you can tell us what to wear? You think that you're better? Well, you better get ready. Bow to the masters. Break it down!
What's going on, YouTube and fellow collectors? Auto Octavia's back again in the lab, showing you guys my toy haul. If you wonder what I'm looking at, the missus, she's down there on the floor on the laptop. She's supposed to be doing this unboxing with me, but she's occupied with other things. Anyway,
I was supposed to be doing it myself until you took over.
I didn't take over. You're gonna jump in and do your unboxing of this thing I have. But anyways, I didn't record, but I hit up the Walmart down in my local area, the one that was kind of in a place that most people don't go. If you guys are in OKC, talking about the council area, yeah, that's the raggedy Walmart. But they had what I was looking for: Moon Knight, and homemade suit Spider-Man. So yeah, these are the two I was really looking for, and I have them, so that is it as far as legends go. Now for the piece of resistance. Put these down. Got this bad boy from Big Bad Toy Store today. One thing I hate about Big Bad Toy Store:
Tell them about their boxing opening.
those rascals, man. I swear they push back the shipping dates a lot more than what they should. And I don't know, it's kind of upsetting when you think you're going to get a box in April, but it shows up the first week of June. But hey, it's all good, I guess. Good thing about them though, they don't charge your credit card until they ship, so always a plus. Make sure I have those funds available. Are you ready, Mrs. Emery? Are you ready? Man, let's hit it. Let's do it.
What?
Isaac!
There's a scorpion at the front door.
Is it alive?
Yes.
So what you want me to do with it?
I don't
You
know.
had on shoes. You passed over it to come get me to kill it, and it's outside.
Of course.
Well, just wait. I'll go get my bleach.
It's yellow and black.
Is that supposed to make a difference?
No.
Oh man. Go ahead and crack it open. It's Christmas, right? I am recording you with my camera.
Oh, fish sticks.
No, not ashy.
And it was a
So my husband says that I'm supposed to talk y'all through opening up a box. Like,
What day so
It's
you
rocket
talking
science.
it? You I
So,
did a good
I
job.
told him, wait, open up a box. Open up any type of box. It's like it's Christmas. And I don't have anything to open up this box because it was already halfway open when we got it.
It's true. I'm not the X-Man. His fault.
They
He
tried
was
to get
trying
a sneak peek.
A sneak peek, trying to see what the heck he was carrying to my front door. Here it come. Here it come.
Dad, move.
Oh, you got Raphael?
Don't you spoiled it for me. We're supposed to show
Oh.
him. Supposed to
Mom,
be like
let me
boom.
see.
Well, this one's my favorite.
Supposed to be like boom. Show it to him.
They're
Me,
heavy.
let me see. That's Raphael, Dad.
Yes, it is.
It is.
And that's Mama's does a bit.
Oh, yeah. I like his little scowl. That's that Raphael me mug.
That's right, folks. NECA, 1991, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
The
Then you
real-
do a dead body
Raphael.
to mirror church to death.
Don't step on my iPad. You got a little pizza slice in here. Different types of hands.
I think you guys might want to do this again. Mom spoiled it.
No, it's all good. We gonna roll with this. I don't like doing all these edits. Hey, this is life. This is our life. This is what we do.
Just
Oh, I know though.
People on YouTube, they tune in to see this, see real life.
How many views do you have? Number one.
Maybe he'll let me take it out of the box so you don't see all these glares.
No, he won't.
We're totally taking these bad boys out the box. So, we have 2 so far. Leonardo comes sometime next month, I believe, and Michelangelo sometime in September. If the date doesn't get pushed back. But yeah.
They're not light.
I know, they're not light at all. It's a real deal.
They're like statues.
He hurt your arm.
I said sorry 5 times.
5 times. You better open them now?
I thought that's what you were doing.
Cool, let's do it.
Well, I don't want to mess with the box and rip the tape off. So.
Oh. Okay. Well, cool. But that's what I got, folks. Yeah. Enjoy it.
I am because I don't have my names.
You gonna say hey to YouTube? Okay, say hey to them.
Hi. Hi guys, about from me. I didn't get that.
You gonna say what's up to YouTube?
Yeah. What up?
To
What
the
up?
collectors and the viewers.
But if you're like that.
You gonna dab on them? Yeah. Give it to them. Give it to them. Cool. We out.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
That's the last one.
Alright, this is how I have them set up for now. I do plan on changing them sometime in the near future, but for right now, this is where it's at. Providing the lighting so you guys can see what I'm working with here. Once again, these are NECA 1991 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles from the original movie. Looking pretty good. NECA did an outstanding job of creating these bad boys. The likeness is off the charts.
Off the charts.
Yep, off the charts. So thank you guys for viewing. Have a good day. Keep collecting. This is Otto Octavius out.